Hello friends, welcome to maths class. Today we will discuss story sum given on page 143. First I will read the statement. Money from different countries. Have you seen any notes or coins used in any other country? Might be you have seen different currencies of different countries. Shivam Bank has a chart to show us how many Indian rupees we can get when we change the money of different countries. Here, country name is given. What we call their currency, it is given under the column money. And when we convert their currency in Indian rupees, so what is the amount of that currency, it is given here. So first country name is Korea, currency name is won. When we change into Indian rupees, so its cost is 4 paise. Next, Sri Lanka, currency name is rupee, or we called it Sri Lankan rupee, and when we convert it into Indian rupee, amount is 37 paise. Next country name Nepal, currency name rupee, and when we convert it into Indian rupee, its value is 63 paise. Next, Hong Kong, dollar, amount is 5 rupees 10 paise. South Africa, currency name rand, and its amount is 5 rupees 18 paise. Next, China, currency name is yuan, and its amount in Indian rupees is 5 rupees 50 paise. Next, UAE, currency name dirham, and its value in Indian rupees is 10 rupees 80 paise. USA, currency dollar, value in Indian rupees 39 rupees 70 paise. Germany, currency name euro, value in Indian rupees 58 rupees 30 paise. England, currency pound, value in Indian rupees 77 rupees 76 paise. Friends, this value is given according to 15th February 2008, and this value change year to year, or it can be changed, or it can be varied time to time. So here the first question is, the money of which country will cost the most in Indian rupees? So from this table we can observe that the country name is England. Now in B part, statement is given, Mithun's uncle in America had sent him 10 USA dollars as a gift. Mithun's used 350 rupees for a school trip. How much money was left with him? So now friends, we will discuss this part B.
Mithun's uncle gave him 10 US dollars. In the list given in your book, value of 1 US dollar is 39 rupees 70 paise. So friends, first we will convert 10 US dollars in Indian currency. So we will multiply 39 rupees 70 paise by 10. Here in multiplier 1 0 is given. So when we multiply 39 rupees 70 paise by 10, we shift the decimal point to right by 1 place, because there is only 1 0 in multiplier. So we will put decimal point right to digit 7. Because when we multiply this number by 10, so we will get 2 zeros without considering the decimal point. 2 zeros will come. And because in multiply there is only 1 0, so this decimal point shift to right by 1's place. So this decimal point shift to right to digit 7. So the value of 10 US dollars is 397 rupees. Out of 397 rupees, Mithun spent 350 rupees. So how much money is left with Mithun? So we will subtract money Mithun's have 397 rupees minus money spent by Mithun, that is 350 rupees. So there is no value of paise given here, so at the place of paise we will put 2 zeros. So when we subtract these two values, what will be the answer? We will subtract 397 rupees and 350 rupees. So we will get 7 minus 0, 7, 9 minus 5, 4, 3 minus 3, 0. So the money left with Mithuns is 47 rupees. Thank you friends.